So we have been shooting with this Mavic Pro for the last 3 years, photos and videos all over the world. And this guy has been our action cam of choice. This is the Insta360 to capture every single angle for all our sports adventures, water adventures. We scuba dive with this guy. So getting the 360 perspective, we never miss a shot. And then what do we see is this guy, the Antigravity A-1 combines them both. It's a drone that shoots in 360. You fly it with goggles, so it's fully immersive. When you see the videos from this thing, it looks absolutely sick. So we're gonna crack this box open and take this baby for a spin. So let's see what's inside the box. We have got a nice little carrying case there. Let's dig in. Okay, this is our drone, baby. Wow, it's tiny. There she is in the case. Pull it down. Wow, look at that. This is the full thing. And when you compare this, look at the size of this guy, 249 grams, as opposed to this Mavic, which weighs at least twice the weight and twice the size in my luggage. So this is our drone right there. These are the goggles. You fly it with the first person, so it's fully immersive. You're wearing the goggles so you can see everything that the drone sees at any given time. It's even got a screen there where your friend who's watching you can see what the drone can see up there. And this is our controller. So it's a joystick controller, so you don't have to like put your phone into a shoe and just watch on a screen. You have the goggles on, and this is your throttle, left to right, and it's kind of like up, down, left, right. I haven't flown it yet, just in the demo there. But yes, this is your full controller here, and a little charging pack. This is a nice thing. It actually comes with 3 batteries in here. So anybody who's owned a drone before and has had to buy one of these Mavic batteries for $110 a piece, it's pretty nice that it comes with 3, and the flight time is super long. I think flight time is over 30 minutes or so on one of these batteries. So yes, I'm excited to take this baby up in the air and show you what it can do. Let's do it.